Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the fire flower from Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a large oval. Next, inside, let's draw 2 more ovals like this. Next, inside the center oval, let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve. Then bring it down on both sides. And then close off the bottom with another curve. And now let's do the same thing on the right for the other eye. Now inside each eye at the top, let's draw an oval. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the stem. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 lines down. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve. Next, let's draw the leaves. Let's start on the left side of the stem and let's draw a curve up, over, and out like this. And let's do the same on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in. And lastly, inside each leaf, let's start on the bottom and let's draw a curve up, stopping here. And that's it for the fire flower. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!